Need accurate dew point monitoring across a range of industrial environments? HENGKO delivers dependable solutions tailored to your specific application. Today, let's take a quick look at our full range of dew point measurement products, categorized by working conditions. 1. Low temperature and drying applications by HG602C, HG602G. Perfect for freeze drying, cold storage, and dehumidification. Dew point, down to 60 degrees. Accuracy, +1 degrees to +3 degrees. TD compact, durable, and highly stable. 2. High temperature and high humidity environments by HG808A. Ideal for lithium battery, electronics, and drying oven applications. Temperature range up to 180 degrees C. OEM probe customization available. Reliable under extreme conditions. 3. General industrial use with corrosive risk by HG808G, HG602G. Designed for HVS, clean rooms, and compressed air systems. Range 60 degrees C to +90 degrees. Accuracy +2.3 degrees. TD built with strong anti-corrosion protection for high accuracy OEM solutions by HG602C. Optimized for precision cold zone monitoring. Accuracy +1 degrees TD. Excellent for long-term drying process control. Customizable outputs, threads, and probes 5. Standard precision for dry zones by HG602D. Best for glove boxes and dry gas pipelines. Accuracy +2 degrees. TD stable in ambient conditions. Trusted for dry zone environments. Like to learn more details? Please check our site to www.hengkometer.com. Contact us, sales@hengkometer.com. HENGKO, precision that performs.